Hi everybody, I'm Nom, I'm a chainsaw carver, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to change this nice bit of oak into a Christmas Highland cow. Let's see how it goes. So it's all finished. Look at that face. So this is going to be available to purchase at Feline Woodcraft in Todmorden. That's where I'm taking him now. I've also got some other Christmas carvings up on my website, www.nomscarvings.co.uk, and I will be making some more Highland cows in the next couple of weeks, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a follow if you like what I do, and I'll see you next time.